Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your English class. How are you all? I hope and pray that you all are fit and fine by the grace of Allah. So students, are you people enjoying this monsoon season? You should enjoy it, but make sure that you all drink lots of water to keep yourself hydrated in this humid weather. Coming back to your studies, beta, it's your 8th week and I hope every week you are learning new things. Today we are going to discuss a grammar topic and that is kinds of adverbs. I hope you are familiar with the term adverbs. Before starting my lecture, let me ask you one question, and that is, do you know how many parts of speech are there? Yes, you are right. There are 8 parts of speech that are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, article, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. All these 8 parts work together to form a correct speech. Now let's start our today's main lesson, and that is kinds of adverb. Before starting the lecture, I want you to think about what is an adverb. Yes, you are right. Adverbs are the words which are used to modify verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Understood this thing? Let's see some examples to make it more clear. I will eat later. In this example, eat is a verb and which word is modifying it? Yes, it is later. So over here, later is your adverb. Ahmed brother is exceptionally smart. So what is smart over here? It is telling us the quality of Ahmed's brother. So smart is a adjective. And which word is modifying smart? Exceptionally. So over here, exceptionally is your adverb. My sister runs very fast. How the action of fast has been done? The action of run has been done. It is done fast. And how fast she is running? She is running very fast. So very over here is modifying the adverb fast. So it is very over here is your adverb which we are using. I hope with these examples you are clear about adverbs. Always remember, most of the time adverbs ends with ly. Let's come to our main topic, and that is kinds of adverbs. Students, there are 5 kinds of adverbs, and they are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency and adverb of degree. Let's read them one by one. Let's discuss them one by one to make it more clear. Adverb of time. These adverbs answer the question of when an action takes place. For example, we will go to a movie tonight. In this sentence, the action of go, when this action of go will happen? It will happen tonight. So over here, tonight is adverb of time. She went for shopping yesterday. So the action of shopping has been done yesterday. When she went for a shopping? She went on a shopping yesterday. So over here, tonight and yesterday used as adverb of time. Is that clear? Now let's move to the second kind of adverb, and that is adverb of place. These adverbs answer the question of where an action takes place. For example, I search for my lost pen everywhere. So the action of searching has been done everywhere. And so over here everywhere become adverb of place. The lady went inside her house. So the action of went is inside. So inside over here tells us about adverb of place. Is that clear? Now let's move to the third kind of adverb, and that is adverb of manner. In the first we have discussed when the action took place. In the second one we have discussed where the action took place. And now in the third one we will see how the action took place. That means in what manner the action has been done. For example, Rashid speaks English fluently. So the action of speaking is done fluently. So fluently is our adverb of manner. It is basically an adverb. And which kind of an adverb? It is adverb of manner, because it is telling us how the action of speaking has been done. Okay? Her uncle is seriously ill. Over here, uncle is very ill. And how serious he is? Yes, it is seriously ill. He is very sick. Understood this kind of adverb as well, beta? Well done. You are quite intelligent students. Our next kind of adverb is adverb of frequency. These adverbs answer the question of how often an action takes place. That means how frequently this action has been done. For example, Mike practices the violins regularly. So the action of practice has been done regularly. How frequently he practices? Mike practices. He practices regularly. My grandparents visit us frequently. How the action of visit has been done? It is done frequently. That means they visit them oftenly. Understood this adverb as well? Well done. Now let's move to our last kind of adverb, and that is adverb of degree. In these adverbs, we answer the question of how much or how an action takes place. For example, Barbie is very beautiful. So over here, how much beautiful Barbie is? She is very beautiful. Now, in this example, this mango is almost ripe. Can you guess adverb in it? Yes, you are right. It is almost. Well done. My students are quite intelligent. Beta, always remember that an adverb modify an adjective. Okay, that means it also tells us about an adjectives as well. For example, this is an unusually tall tree. Over here, tall is the quality of a noun, that is tree. And how tall it is unusually tall. So over here, unusually is modifying the adjective, that is tall. So automatically this one becomes our adverb. Understood this point, beta? Now also remember that an adverb also modifies another adverb as well. For example, the restaurant is almost fully booked. Over here, the action of booking has been done fully. And how fully is being modified? It is modified by the adverb. Yes, almost. So, is that clear, beta? For making things more clearer, you can watch these channels. You can go to these channels, watch these movies and make your concepts more clearer. So, your today's assignment is that you have to solve the given worksheet. Remember, boys and girls, that you should keep your worksheet in a folder. Don't fold or turn your worksheet. Write your name and date in the provided space on the worksheet. Use blue ink pen on the worksheet. Don't use remover, whitener, corrector or on the worksheet. Please mind it. You are not supposed to use remover, whitener or corrector on your worksheets. So what we have learned today, beta? We have learned about adverbs, that adverbs qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective, and adverb itself. And there are 5 kinds of adverbs: adverb of time, place, manner, frequency, and adverb of degree. In adverb of time, we know about the action. Yes, when the action takes place. Then in adverb of place, we came to know that where the action takes place. In adverb of manner, we came to know that, yes, how the action takes place, in what manner the action takes place. Adverb of frequencies give us the answer that how frequently the action has been done. And adverb of degrees tells us that how much that action has been done. I hope my lecture is clearer to you. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.